Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Beshi, good morning and happy birthday to you. More blessings and good health always. And sabi ko ba, more birthdays to come and for the friendship. Thank you so much for the friendship, sa trust na binibigay mo sa amin. And sa lahat-lahat, pagdating sa mga gatherings, ikaw ang punong abala. So, thank you. And especially yung ginawa ng birthday ko, thank you so much. And God bless you more. And session. Bagong gising kasi ako, Beshi. So, yun. Once again, happy birthday, Beshi. And take care always. And we love you.
Happy birthday, Beshi. I wish you all the best in life. And of course, good health. And sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And thank you kasi naging kaibigan ka namin. Alam mo naman kung gaano kakabait. And nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi binigay ka niya sa amin. And ingatan mo palagi ang sarili mo. Sana magtagal pa yung pagkakaibigan natin. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Hi mga anak, this message is for Loida. Happy birthday. I wish you have many more blessing birthday to come. This is your nanay, mommy, inay from USA. I hope na magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Singapore sa susunod kong bakasyon, kung makakapagbakasyon pa kami. Okay? Sana'y maging masaya kayo lahat sa birthday mo, Loida. I love you and papasalamat ako at na-meet ko ikaw sa pagbabakasyon namin dyan. Mahal ko kayo lahat at salamat kay Carol, Rochelle. Ay naku mga anak, nakakalimot na ako. Pasensya na kayo sa mga pangalan nyo ha. Happy birthday ulit, Loida. I love you and enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Bye!
Hi, Be. Happy birthday to the most caring, loving friend. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo po sa buhay mo na hindi pa natutupad. And I hope soon na yun. So, yun lang, Be. Sana wag kang magbabago sa amin at lagi kang healthy sana at ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Andito lang din kami para sa'yo. Love you.
To this amazing woman and kind-hearted person, happy birthday, Loida. More birthday to celebrate and good health lang lagi. Thank you for our friendship, the bonding, tawanan. Maraming salamat sa pag-share mo lagi sa blessing sa amin. Enjoy your day. At dahil birthday mo ngayon, ito yung mga hinanda namin. We express love through these messages to you. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit. God bless and I love you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Sis Loida. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to celebrate and more happiness and blessings to receive. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sisi Loida. All the very best. I wish you good health, happiness, and many more to come. Thank you for the friendship. Enjoy your birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sisi Loida. +1 ka na ulit. And aging gracefully and beautifully. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, keep on shining and keep on doing what you love to do. I admired also yung pagiging madiskarte mo sa buhay. Ituloy mo lang yan, girl. Keep on going. May God grant all your heart desires. And stay true to yourself. Be humble, be kind, and stay positive. Keep on praying also. Alam ko mararating mo lahat yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay kasi alam ko sa super hardworking mo, ibibigay yun lahat ni Lord sa iyo pagdating ng araw. Kaya go, go, go. God bless.
Happy birthday, Loida.
Hello Loida, thank you at pinaunlakan mo kami na Arlene to join with our gatherings. My birthday wish for you is to keep moving forward kahit mahirap. Second is be happy always. Third is be healthy. Lagi mo tandaan, when we shared the joy, it becomes double joy. If you shared the sorrow, it becomes half sorrow. So stay connected with our community. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ante. Wishing you all the best and stay pretty. Be in good health. Don't forget to take your medicine. Ano pa, stay pretty. Basta. Thank you. Ay, dito skill ako ka sa private school to experience this kind of skillahan. And thank you for always to support us. Kaya dyan ka pa may tao like guys. Hala, mag-push ka naman nga. Supportaran kami. Your kindness. Diya tao mo ka naman. Thank you sa tanan-tanan. Amo lang dan. Happy birthday. Kiwat.
So hi, happiest birthday to our dearest auntie. I really wish God kaginigad sang good health for me, especially layo ka sa amon, and I wish nga you fulfill what your really heart desires, no? Yung mga ginaplano mo, maabot mo, mga blessings kanimo. And also, thank you. I guess thank you is not enough to express how grateful I am personally sa imo mga nagpili for believing in me haling day one up until talad young adulting ako. Marara, thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Happy birthday!
46th birthday na I pray and I wish nga tagaan ka ni Lord sang maayong lawas, i-bless and i-guide na ikaw sa iyong mga kinabuhi. May the God strengthen you in facing your battles and challenges sa kabuhi. I know nga we struggle sa life, pero ano lang di kami nga mag-strengthen man kanimo. Pwede ka man kakuha sang kusog sa amon, sang kusog sa Ginoo, wala gina problema na. Ari lang di kami permi para sa imo. And pangala ko pasensya kung kisa gab sinutil ako, kung kisa ginabais ta ikaw. Sorry, Nay, and I love you always. Bisan nga matabo karang ikaw na kabay pa nga enjoy mo yung mga birthday yan ka hindi mo pagpabayan ng mga kaugalingon ka stay pretty always and enjoy your day. Happy 46th birthday na kani susunod maka-celebrate man ikaw with us. That's all.
Hi Nay, happy birthday to the woman who is the heart and soul of our family. Your love is the light and brighten your soul darkness day. Wishing you a day for a special day. You are the best nanay. You are the best nanay in this world. I am so lucky because you are my mother in this world. Thank you for supporting me from my primary school until I graduate in college. I promise I will make it you proud someday. And I will pay all your sacrifice to our family. Nay, take care always of yourself because you are not here. Because you're too far away from us. And don't always be stressed. And sorry for my mistake sometimes for kadungulan ko bla? Kadungulan. Bala ko nakapoy ka nakakobra. Gusto mo na magpahuway. Kag makaupon kami. Basta, mabawi ko si mo sunod tuig kung palaron. Halaw ka lang yan, Permenay. Happy birthday.